You might ask, why are you doing so many different ads? Because you want to split test, beta test every single ad, find out which one is generating a click-through, how are you getting a response, and which one's more effective. Because once you know the ads that are effective in generating a response, then you can do two things with that. One is you can boost the page, which means basically you pay extra money that Facebook will not just hit the people that you've sent them the email addresses for, but they're going to boost it beyond that, beyond the specific people, so you're going to get more bang for your buck by boosting a page. It's just a click of a button. Secondly, what we do is what's called lookalike ads, where if Facebook can tell by the way that a visual image appears on an ad that there are other people that would be interested in the same thing just based on the visual image. And with lookalike ads, you can expand the scope of your Facebook ad. So we did boosting and we did lookalike ads. And we did a lot of video. One thing you'll notice on any political campaign is a complete lack of video. You cannot be in website or internet marketing without video. We went heavy with infographics that identified and pointed out the lack of representation of women on the bench, and we brought those issues out in a way where my wife could speak directly to the voters and connect and build a rapport with them in a way that you just can't do with text and copy. Very effective video. So what happened after 22 days of running this campaign, and by the way, spending about $100,000 less than her adversary, because this was all self-financed. No one actually came to bat for my wife. The political party didn't. They didn't pay a penny. The donors didn't want to pay because my wife was a huge underdog. So no one paid any money for this. But after 22 days, November 4th, a week ago or so, what we found out was there were about over 1,000 people who shared the Facebook posts that my wife had, over 1,000. To put that in perspective, the average person on Facebook has about 338 friends. And if one person shares that, they're sharing it with about 338. So with over 1,000 posts, that's basically 338,000 people who are getting it simply through sharing the information. Likes, there were over 1,600 likes of the page, another key factor. Website clicks through to the website. In 22 days, there were 10,600 clicks through to the website. Visitors on her Facebook page, and remember, this is a website that was just created 6 weeks ago. She had over 10,000. The total visits on her Facebook page were 368,000 during a 22-week period. And the reach of the ads that were targeted within just a 7-county region of people who my wife wanted to see her ad was 1.6 million. That's in 22 days. People who tell you that you can't do internet marketing on a low budget and in a short amount of time don't know what they're talking about. You can.